Love it. What do you say? Look at us.
Thank you.
Do you like them, Will?
Mm-hmm. Aw, he's eating. Is there water in here?
Yeah.
Look at a little tunnel. Aw. Thank you. The hay's under it. Oh, this is grass, right?
So what are you going to name him?
I'm gonna name him Mr. Blackies.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you have to think of a good name that's going to last for a long time. So maybe think about it tonight and we'll give him his official name tomorrow, okay?
You want to hold them?
Yes, I do.
Mommy has to get 'em.
Okay, hold on.